It's me, Julia, and Anna in the Girls Alliance, and it's pretty tight. I mean, we trust each other, and hopefully it will take us far. Hopefully, we can get Caleb, pull him in, and take it all the way. I mean, us three girls have been together pretty much from the beginning. It kind of naturally divided guys and girls, and we're trying really not to make it feel that way, but it's just kind of what naturally happens out here. We're really similar, we have a lot of stories to tell, we're always chit-chatting, and they're always doing their manly things. So it's kind of just divided that way naturally, and we really trust each other, so we decided to just kind of go with it and hopefully bring the girls, as far as we can together. I think we're really underestimated, the three beautiful girls, and I think that if we can mastermind it the way that we want to, then it'll be an amazing, unexpected defeat.